Today, let's know the best technique to learn speaking and writing sentences in English. Let's play a game of adding words. I'll start with a small phrase, I talk. Add to it, I talk in English. We can continue as I talk in English at afternoon. Few more words we can add to it as I talk in English at afternoon in the college. Let us add few more words to this sentence. I talk in English at afternoon in the college with my friends. Again, we may extend this sentence by adding few more words like I talk in English at afternoon in the college with my friends while eating lunch. In this way, we can go on adding words and make a big meaningful sentence. Let us see one more example. I cook vegetable and rice at evening with my mother for dinner. So this way we can start. I cook. I cook vegetable. I cook vegetable and rice. I cook vegetable and rice at evening. I cook vegetable and rice at evening with my mother. I cook vegetable and rice at evening with my mother for dinner. I hope you have better understood now. Then try if you can make such sentences and write it down in the comment box. इस तरह से आप भी एक छोटे से फ्रेज से बड़ा सा सेंटेंस बनाइए और नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख कर बताइए। अगर आपको ये लर्निंग टेक्निक पसंद आई है तो लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए। इंग्लिश सीखने के और भी टेक्निक्स जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। So thank you for today and take care.